Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account private and hiding your followers as well as the following list. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. Very easy guys, very simple. Then you want to click on the lower right corner on your profile picture. Then you want to head to the top right corner and click on the three straight lines. Okay, now I want you to focus on this step, very important. I want you to click on settings and privacy. Now I want you to scroll down and I want you to focus on the section that is called who can see your content. Okay, click on account privacy. This is where you're going to change your account privacy and turn your account into a private account. The small tip over here is that if you have a business account, you're not going to be able to do it. Look at this. Do you see that? You cannot make your business account private. You need to switch your account type. Do you want me to show you how to switch your account type first? Okay, let's go. If I go back over here, right? If you scroll down, you want to come over here on for professionals. You want to click on business tools and controls. When you're over here, I want you to scroll down and you want to click here, switch account type, almost the fifth from the last towards up. Switch account type, click here. Do you see that? Now you can switch from business account to either personal or creator account. When you have either of these both accounts, then you can go back, right? And then you can simply come over here, account privacy again, click, and here you can make your account private. Let me tell you what will happen after you change your account from public to private. Well, all the followers will be hidden. All the following list will be hidden. People will see the number. You're following 100 people. 100 people are following you. People will try to click on these numbers to see the followers, but they will not be able to do it because your account is private. People will not be able to click on your profile picture. Even though your account will be searchable, they will be able to search for your handle, for your profile. They will find it, but they will not be able to access any information, any data, any pictures, any videos, any tags, anything. The only people that still will be able to see the posts and the videos and the tags are the people who are currently in your following list. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.